Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to connect and authorize apps in Zapier in just a few easy steps. First, go to your Zapier dashboard and click on the My Apps tab in the left-hand menu. Next, click the Add Connection button at the top right corner. You will now see a search bar. Type in the name of the app you want to connect, like Gmail, Google Drive, or Slack. Once you find the app, click on it. A pop-up window will appear asking you to sign in and authorize access. Just log in using your account credentials and follow the prompts to give Zapier the required permissions. After successfully signing in, Zapier will confirm that the app is now connected. You can always return to the My App section to manage, test, or remove any of your connected accounts. And that's it, guys. Your app is now authorized and ready to be used in any Zap you create. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.